trends in generative AI, summarize them into 5 key points, and generate a LinkedIn post based on that. Okay, I'll click on maybe later. So the LinkedIn post is here, right? I can actually click on. In the real world, when we are too busy, we delegate. We hire interns to do research. We have virtual assistants to do the routine stuff. We have analysts to turn data into reports. And sometimes we hire consultants to organize our chaos. But what if we don't need the whole team? What if I told you an AI agent can do all the job together? Welcome to day 201 of the 1000 days of no code challenge. Today we are exploring Suna by Kortix AI, an AI-powered autonomous agent built to run complex tasks based on your instructions. Suna acts like research analyst, virtual assistant, and operational expert all rolled into one. You give a clear instruction to Suna as to what is the end result you are looking for, and it will handle for you, including deep web research, lead generation, SEO reports, and also competitors analysis. So let's dive in and see how this tool works. So to begin with, head over to suna.so and let's sign up. Continue with Google, select the account, click on continue, and we are ready. Looks like all the tools these days related to AI are copying ChatGPT layout. Anyways, it looks neat. Let's see how this works. So I'm going to give a prompt here, which is find the top 5 co-working spaces in Bangalore with pricing and contact info in a table. Let's see. I'm hitting enter. So it gives us some pro benefits. So if you feel that the tool is useful, please upgrade. So it has actually created a file. Okay, what are the things that it is going to do? And based on its research, it will actually keep updating this file. So it's searching the web right now. You can see it here. So top 5 co-working spaces in Bangalore. We have WeWork, 91 Springboard, CoWorks, Urban Vault, and Office. Okay, and it also gives us the location, then starting price, along with contact information. So it's still updating something. So task completion, all tasks in the to-do list have been completed. Here's the final table. Right, so it is giving us the table over here, okay, along with the website link and stuff like that. Now we can ask questions based on the table that it has already generated for us. Now let me ask it to do something more, right? So I go to a new agent and let me ask, create a basic SEO audit for Ritesh.com and give suggestions to improve ranking. So it's searching for technical SEO, on-page SEO, off-page SEO, content analysis, competitor analysis, and giving us all the details. So it has fetched the images from our website. You can also see that it has fetched the abcd.ritesh7.com, which is our community landing page, then bubble.ritesh7.com and hub.ritesh7.com, which are all the different subdomains that we have. And there you go. We've got the final SEO recommendation. So technical SEO, 5 points, on-page SEO, 5 points, content strategy, 4 points, off-page SEO, 4 points, right? And it's also asking us, would you like me to provide more detailed recommendation for any specific area or help implement any of these suggestions? While this might not be as detailed as SEMrush or Ahrefs, but it is still good enough for solopreneurs. Okay, let's do one last thing. And I would ask it, research top trends in generative AI, summarize them into 5 key points, and generate a LinkedIn post based on that. Okay, I'll click on maybe later. So the LinkedIn post is here, right? I can actually click on this one, which will open it in a pop-up where I can read through clearly. Top 5 generative AI trends shaping 2025. The world of generative AI is evolving at lightning speed, and 2025 promises to be a transformative year. Here are the top 5 trends to watch. Agentic AI, multimodal AI systems, explainability and transparency, industry-specific applications, AI in education and personal development. Let's see, I'll probably go ahead and make this as a post. We will see if we get good response. And I've also asked it to generate an image. So it's actually generating this image. In a minute, it should be ready. So let me just click on this. Rendering the image, I guess so. Oh yeah, it's here. So let me just open it up and download this. I'm on LinkedIn here. Let me post this. And there you go. Just that it has generated as a HTML, so we could probably take a screenshot of it and then post it. I'll ignore it for now. But yeah, you can ask any questions like this. So that's a LinkedIn post for you, all within a couple of minutes, based on the topic that you give it. So now you have seen it for yourself. Suna isn't just calling itself an AI employee, but it's actually working like one. And honestly, this feels like a glimpse of what's coming next. Right now, it's helping with the research, lead gen, reports, and much more. But imagine the same idea scaled across your team. All your team members using tools like this for most of their work, where every person gets their own personal AI assistant, which handles their routine tasks, follows instructions, and works quietly in the background. It won't replace the real teammates, but it will remove the boring, tedious, repetitive tasks. That only means more time for creativity, thinking, and building. Suna shows us that AI agents aren't just the future concepts anymore. It's real, it's practical, and usable even today. So go give it a try and share what is the first AI employee that you are creating for. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.